Okay, what is good, my boys? It's Giante here, back with another video. And after this one, if you ain't subscribed, you need to go ahead and subscribe. But I'm about to teach you how to have W RIZZ on FaceTime. Like, just gonna have that FaceTime call going perfect. Like, this is how you have her wanting to talk to you all the time. And obviously, I got my notes right here, and we just gonna go through them. And by the end of this video, you're gonna be ready to get on the phone. Now, obviously, I'm gonna start with the don'ts. The things you don't wanna do when you on the phone with her. You don't want to be on the phone not saying anything. Like, you're literally sitting on the phone. It's called FaceTime. Put your face in the camera. Let her see you. Get off the game. You're literally playing the game. She's talking to you. You keep looking down. Like, that's the quickest way to where she's like, hold on, somebody's calling me. Bye. And then you're texting her later like, are you mad at me? Yes, bruh. She's absolutely mad at you, bruh. She FaceTime you to talk to you. And the thing is, you don't even have to say much. Girls just want you to listen. Like, on FaceTime, she's gonna talk about so much stuff. She's gonna talk about the day. She's gonna talk about what she wanna wear and her outfits, her makeup, her hair, her nails, etc. Like, literally, the best part of FaceTime is when she just props her phone up and she's like doing her lashes and she's like focused. You know, she's very focused. That's where you can like watch the game or play the game. Or because here's the thing, she's still trying to conversate with you while she's doing her lashes or her hair or her nails, but she's not as focused. But when she's not doing anything and y'all are just sitting there on the phone, she wants your attention. Why is your face not in the camera? You think she's never gonna see you? Ain't that the whole goal, for her to like want to see you? Why is your face not in the camera, bruh? And next is you have to find ways to flirt with her while on the phone. So complimenting her as she do her lashes, telling her like, oh yeah, they look cool, like I don't think you need them for real, or like yeah, the makeup look cool, but you don't need it for real. You know you don't need no makeup for real. Like, just gassing her head up. Like, that type of compliment goes so far. Like, you're telling her like, yeah, you look good, but you don't need it for real. The next thing is taking FaceTime photos. Girls hate when we take off guards. They think we take the worst pictures of them. So that's the point. You have all these like FaceTime photos of her like doing like little goofy faces and like whatever. It's just so genuine and authentic, and that's what girls look for. That's what girls yearn for. Like, you got all these FaceTime photos, 15 FaceTime photos from this one FaceTime that you literally get to tease her with forever. This is great banter. This is great flirting. But also, you want the conversation to go on for as long as possible. Like, if y'all got one of them 12, people be having 12-hour FaceTime calls, 15-hour FaceTime, 8-hour FaceTime calls. That means the FaceTime is going great. The longer the call, the more comfortable she will get with you. And that also means she likes talking to you. Y'all on the phone for 20 minutes, bro. She do not like talking to you. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like, if the call start in the afternoon and it end damn near at night, that's a good FaceTime call. And then you could be on the phone with her, you could be talking to her, she'll be like, you seem tired. And you just be like, yeah, like, I'm a little tired, but like, I just want to talk to you. Like, these are just little things you can do on FaceTime to make the FaceTime go well. As well as just never wanting to hang up. So like, let's say it is getting late and she do think you about to go to sleep. Instead of like even acknowledging it, just prop your phone up and just kind of start dozing off. Let her watch you sleep. Girls love watching us sleep. I don't know what it is. I don't know what they love about it, but they do. And then if you need things to ask her while on FaceTime to like really make her mind like wonder, just be like, hey, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Like, where do you want to be in 5 years? She's gonna get talking about her goals, her aspirations, where she want to be. Be the person that inspires her. Make her want to chase those goals. Tell her like, yeah, like, I can see you doing that for sure. You're going to be there, like, for sure. I don't even think it's going to take 5 years. Like, girls like compliments on their looks, of course, but complimenting her work ethic, her goals and aspirations, that's the sweet spot for women. But you also can ask her, like, I got a funny question. Like, you'd be like, I know it's a weird question, but like, you like being little spoon or like big spoon, like in the bed, like I move a lot, you know, like just like small banter will go so far with girls. I'm telling you, this is real game I'm giving y'all. Another flirty thing you can say is like, what's your room look like? Like, let me see your room. She gonna show you around the room, whatever. Be like, yeah, I'm gonna remember all this. Like, and then when she asks like, why, you gotta be like, I just gotta remember the details, so I know ain't nobody else been there. Like, you know what I mean? Like, claiming what's yours, girls literally love that. She gonna be like, boy, stop. Like, you know, ain't nobody gonna be here. These small, quick, simple flirting, women love it. Girls love it. And then to top it all off, and this is bold. This one is bold. Just saying. But girls actually like it. They act like they ain't looking, but they are. But when you go to change your shirt, you can have a little stain on your shirt. Act like you gotta go change it. Had a phone like propped up, set up somewhere, and you kind of do that like one arm pull off the shirt thing. Give me on real game, bruh. Like, use this. But that's all I got for this video. And if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I can't believe we had like 25,000 followers on Instagram already on my second account. Y'all in y'all bag. And obviously the collective keeps growing. If y'all need any help, hit my IG DMs. And I'll see y'all soon. Peace.